Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And do you want to share your Amazon affiliate links easily? Today I'll show you how to add them to Linktree so you can earn commissions seamlessly. So as you can see here, of course, you need to have your Amazon account. So log into your Amazon Associates account. Search for a product you want to promote. So here, let's search a product that you want to promote, and then you just need to copy the link here. So for example, to that one is this one, and then at the right top, so for example to that one is this one, and then at the right top guys, on the yellow button, click the get link. So here, tap right, so as you can see here, and then you just need to tap on that one, and then you can choose either a short link or the full link, and then copy that link. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna copy this one, so it's just very easy, right? And then next, of course, you need to log into your Linktree account. And if you don't have one, create it at Linktree. And once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where you can manage all your links here. So here, click the Add New Link button and then paste your Amazon affiliate link into the URL field. So, and give it a catchy title like, for example, to that one is this one. So here, I'm going to add this one. And then I'm going to paste here the one that I copied a while ago. And then after that one, you'll be able to see here a title. So here, depending on you, what title will you be writing? So for example, so that one is, I'm gonna copy this one, the title of the product on the Amazon. And here it is a tea turtle, Hello Kitty. So what I'm gonna do here is just to copy and then paste it on the title field. So here, of course guys, don't forget to save it. You can also make your Linktree stand out, guys, by customizing the design. You can also choose a theme, add icons, or even reorder your links to highlight your Amazon deals. So here, so you can see here, and right after this one is, I'll be grouping them. For this, I'm gonna put it on the Amazon Finds layout. So here, and there you have it. Your Amazon affiliate link is now live on Linktree. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.